Hey everybody, how's it going? So I have a quick another guess what's in the box video. This is an Acme tools box. Today is Sunday, December 20th, 2020. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so today we're just going to do a quick guess what's in the box video. Let me grab my measuring tape real quick. Alright, so this is a box from Acme Tools. There is a new item in this box from, I'll give you a hint, it's Milwaukee. That is the only guess I'm going to give you guys. There should be more than one item in this box as well. That's another hint. This box is 8 1/8 of an inch wide by 8 1/4 of an inch long by 6 5/8 of an inch tall. What do you guys think is in the box? Also, let me know on another note, do you guys like it on the intros when my hand doesn't come up and turn the camera off? I am using, I've had these remotes from my GoPro for a very long time. I just spaced them. They were just hanging, they were hanging in plain view, you know. Every time I grab my camera, I see them. I just didn't use them before, and I've gotten into the habit of using them now. What do you guys think? Do you like it when, you know, when the camera's facing me and I'm talking to the camera? Do you like that you don't see that I'm pushing the button to turn the camera off? Or do you prefer that you see me pushing the button to turn the camera off? You know, just would like some feedback from you guys. Just a quick little video. What do you think is in the Acme Tools box? We'll do an unboxing as well. We'll pull everything out of the box. We'll go over it. My thoughts, you know, my first impressions and everything like that, like we always do. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And at the very top of the description below, I also have an Ulsa Tools link. If you guys click on that, it can get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com. Hopefully it will help you guys during the holidays. I don't know when this will be aired. It might be, you know, February, March, April. I have no idea when you guys are going to see this video. But I do hope you all have a very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and a amazing New Year. And hopefully 2021 will be better. And thank you guys so much for watching. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!